Alright, we're here at the beach. Zero visibility. The water's down that way, the winds are picking up. Right on. I'm gonna walk towards the beach. In the water. Come on. This is awesome. You know it's gonna be good?
Oh my god,
This is gonna be good for sledding right here. It's a little
sledding, right?
The water's down that way. See the water? I see the water. Right there. See the waves? All the way down. I don't think I need the light. Oh, look at the water. The water has come up. Wow, it's like the water's really high. Like a little distance. Normally it would be a garbage can here. And that's the water, guys. I've never seen. Wow, I can't even talk. Ooh, ah. Frozen beach.